Yeah, CN. The CN freight here at Fenelon Street at about 7 something p.m. on a Sunday evening. Awesome, man. Here at Dusk, here at Dorval with Elton McFall. Look at that sky lit up like fire. Double stack too. It looks like it's crossing over. And there's a plane too. This is a neat little spot. Not so great for getting CP trains, but for CN it's really good. Yeah, it's about 6:15 p.m. Sunday the 17th of September 2023 with autumn on the wind. And a brand new armored yellow boxcar, Union Pacific, with these old CN boxcars full of graffiti. Second freight of the day, and first time in about a week that I've gone actual rail fanning. And that's the end. It's not that long, this train. About a 3-minute train. There you can see the flashing Fred. There it goes. There's the 20. So if you like what I do, please subscribe to Cool Trains in Montreal. Have a good day.